Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be another handbag inspired tumbler. I was challenged to do a tumbler in a particular pattern and so I went for it. So if you are interested in seeing the tumbler and the inspired bags, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is the tumbler that I was challenged to do. And for you Doonistas, you know that this is the Dooney Bourke Shiny It signature pattern in the multicolor. This is one of my absolute favorite patterns in the signature line. Absolutely beautiful. So this tumbler has the Dooney Bourke signature initials throughout, as well as the 1975 year, just like the handbag pattern. And I couldn't find a solid brass patch, so I used one from one of my own bags here and took a photo of it. And on the back it just says, of course, Dooninista, with some more of the signature initials throughout. So guys, this was a very fun but intricate and time-consuming cup, but I absolutely enjoyed making it. So you know what, let's get into some handbags. Okay guys, so the first bag of inspiration is this cute little ruby satchel in the Shiny It multicolor in black. And it is the absolute perfect inspiration for my tumbler. The next bag, guys, is one that I use for shopping and sometimes to just put some items in when I just want to grab something really quick and go. This is the medium shopper. It is made of acrylic and it has the Sierra leather trim, which I think matches perfectly with the little patch that I included on the cup. So again, this is the acrylic Shiny It shopper in the color black. And then here again, guys, I have it paired with the large cosmetics case, the on-the-go cosmetics case, and here it is all four together. So just a few more mod shots, and I absolutely love this patch because it pairs perfectly with the handles on this bag. So again, here we are with the ruby along with the tumbler and the medium wristlet. And I also have a barrel bag in this same pattern. Nice little pieces to just grab and go and throw into any color bag, whether it's sunflower or orange, lavender, Kelly green, red, baby pink. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have not checked out my last videos, I will leave a link below so you can check out some unboxings as well as my latest comparison video. So again, thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.